To make a cannabis extract at home, you need a lighter, filter coffee machine, some small bowls, 2 bowls, sieve, plastic spoon, coffee filters, alcohol, cannabis. Put the cannabis into the bowl, cover with cold alcohol, stir 3 minutes with plastic spoon, filter the alcohol through the sieve, filter again through the coffee filter. Distill until 80% of the initial alcohol volume is gone. Pour into a small bowl. Heat the small bowl with the coffee machine for 24 hours to remove the remaining alcohol. To check if there is any remaining alcohol, use a small spoon and a lighter. If there is any remaining alcohol, the product will produce sparks when burning the lighter. Keep heating until you don't get any sparks anymore. Enjoy the cannabis extract. Stay tuned. Next time, I'm going to show you how to purify the extract and turn it to pure cannabinoids. In my hand is 99% CBD, beautiful crystals. See you next time.